Dear love, Kevin. Today is the day that we have waited. I'm happy to see you and finally call you my husband.
I still can't believe we are here, standing on the brink of forever together. It feels like time has flown by so quickly, and yet every moment with you has been a beautiful story in itself.
Ang ganda! Thank you! I love it!
Sana anak ko, magmahalan kayong dalawa. Kung may problema, give and take kayo. Alam mo na, love you anak ko, mag-ingat kayo lagi.
Thank you po.
From the first time we met to today, every memory has only confirmed how lucky I am to have you by my side.
Alam natin na hindi ganun kadali ang journey, but it's exciting, it's funny, and it's all worth it. Kasi kasama natin ang isa't isa. I waited for God to give me the perfect timing, and I know that He have given me the perfect gift, the perfect person, and it's you.
I wish you all the happiness and you deserve this very happy and successful celebration.
Thank you sa pag-alaga. Time has come. Salamat.
I appreciate your love for me, for my family, and your love for God. Panatag ako na ikaw ang naging katuwang ko sa buhay. Ikaw ay isang napakalaking biyaya mula sa Ama.
Na sa pagkakasal ay pinapagsasama ng Diyos ang lalaki at ang babae upang maging isang laman lamang. Kaya hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isang laman. Ang pinapagsama nga ng Diyos ay huwag kapaghiwalayin ng tao.
Kami magkasama kami since preschool until college. So same kami ng hobbies, ng likes. So I have a best friend, nanay, boyfriend, parang everything na. You won't ask for anything else. So I didn't expect na I will fall for Kevin talaga because I have her already.
We could build a house away from here, you and me, in the middle of nowhere, fight the frost of the morning blue. I don't care, I just wanna get home with you.
As I look ahead to the life we will build together, I am filled with excitement, joy, and gratitude. I vow to always cherish and always support you, to laugh with you in the good times and comfort you in the challenges. You are my everything. I can't wait, or I could call you now my partner. Thank you for being the love of my life, for making me better, and for our road so incredibly full of love.
Daydream of a life you choose. With me, you don't just wanna get warm with you. So we build a house, make it a home, and it grows as we grow, it shows. Yeah, we build a home away from it all. At least that's what I hope for. And now I'm at your front door. This is unfamiliar. How I never get bored with you. Yeah, I just want it with you.
Masaya ako na ikaw ang una at huli kong mamahalin. I love you, Kevin. I love you. Love ko.